Hey y'all, I wanted to hop on here and show you a package that I just got and I am so excited about it. It is from the Rustic Cow Creations. Here's her business card. Y'all should screenshot this, but also I will tag it in the comments of this video and like put it in the video so that y'all can go find her shop. But look at what she sent me. And I am so excited. I like cannot stand it. I'm covered in kitty cat hair because I was volunteering at the animal shelter, loving on all the kitty cats, but so there's kitty cat hair, but I'm really excited. This is body butter and the scent is Western Lace. I'm excited to try this, and she's got really simple, clean labels, and all of her ingredients are really good. Like the body butter, it's cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance, which, like, wow, that's actually really nice. That smells so good, and it looks so creamy. I'm about to put this on, but let's see what else we got. I need some lotion. Those kitty cats were scratching my hands all up. Poor babies. And then this is Western Lace Sugar Scrub, which I'm really excited about. And this again is clean ingredients, which makes me so excited because you actually know what the ingredients are. Oh my goodness. You guys, this smells so good. It's like a good summer smell is what it reminds me of. Honestly, all year round, it's really good. But I like to use sugar scrubs to exfoliate before I shave, so I'm excited about that. And then this is Western Lace Bath Soak. What she was telling me about this, I'm so excited about this. She said it's really good for chronic pain and inflammation and things like that. I've had a migraine for like 2 days, actually today's day 3. So I'm gonna try this probably today. But yeah, it's got Himalayan sea salt in it, which is amazing, and it's also got the vitamin E. This is gonna be so good for my skin, so I'm really excited about this. This Western Lace scent smells so good. Like, I don't think she could have picked a more perfect scent for me. She has a lot of different scents as well, and then she sent me these 2 little sample packs. This is a sugar scrub. It's Rodeo Cowboy. That smells so good. It's kind of a leathery smell, but sort of manly. That one's really good. I'm excited for that. And then this is Sea Salt and Orchid, and it's a scent boost. So I think that you put this in your laundry. And if so, I'm really excited. I think, actually, now that I think about it, she does like room sprays. She does like linen sprays. My cat is freaking out on my purse. Hope she's not tearing it up. She smells kitty cats. And then she also does like carpet powder, which I need to order some of that from her. I'm excited to get some carpet powder. I'm used to just using the one from Walmart, and this, if she's got that Western Lace scent, like, sign me up. Oh wow, this smells really good. It's really clean, the Sea Salt and Orchid. And it's so nice that she sent me these free samples. But let's try some of this body butter because I'm really excited about it. And I don't know if you can tell, this is like gross, but my skin is so dry. I don't know if you can tell, but let's give her a little body butter. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. I'm excited to take a bath, and then, oh yeah, this feels so nice. I'm excited to take a bath and then get out and put on this body butter. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, seriously, I don't know how to explain this scent, but it smells so good. The Western Lace. Y'all need to go grab some of this. Y'all need to join her group. She's got a group on Facebook. I will link it here, and then I think she's got an Etsy shop. I'll have to look at all of her different links, but I will put them here. Y'all need to go support her, give her some likes and shares, and get some orders going for her. She's a really sweet mama. She's got chronic illness as well, and this is how she helps contribute to her family. I've known her forever and ever and ever. She has an incredible story, so y'all need to go give her some love. I'm excited about this. It feels so moisturized, but it's not greasy. I really am not a huge lotion or like body butter fan, but this actually feels really good. It actually soaked into my skin. I'm excited to rub down in this tonight. So anyways, y'all have a good afternoon and go give her some love.